reckless spirit, what have you done? Cracking dreamers, one by one, turn their longing into shrines. Every last stray hope you find, till it's stumbling through dreams all the time, turning water, they say, into wine. Reckless spirit, what have you done? Stirring shadows, one by one, turning whispers into vines. It slowly creep and twist and bind. Every last word and deed entwined, till water they say, they say that it's bitter now, it's bitter every time. Now they're asking an eye for an eye, till the water they pray, turns to wine. in a place that stands outside of time. There are forces stronger than you and I, a current flowing under the unexamined hunger, and we're all looking at the sky. In a heart so broken down and used, there's a mystery begging for a clue. Is it truth or just a feeling, a fiction or a healing? And could it really be renewed? Well, you can wait for an arrival, or pray for a revival. Yes, you can. Oh, yes, you can. Or you can take the hurt you've taken down to the river's edge, and you can leave it. You can leave it in the water. In this great comedy divine, not everybody's laughing all the time. There is flood and there is fire, a little loss may be required, but there's hope that we can borrow to see the beauty in the sorrow.